Imagine a motorcycle that blends electrifying speed, cutting-edge safety, and futuristic design, ready to conquer the highways while emitting zero emissions. Meet the 2026 Damon Hypersport Premier, an electric superbike set to redefine the sports bike industry in the USA. The Damon Hypersport Premier isn't just another electric motorcycle. It's a technological revolution on two wheels, designed to deliver over 200 horsepower, a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour, and a real-world range of 200 miles on a single charge. But what truly sets it apart is Damon's Copilot advanced safety system, a 360-degree awareness suite that uses cameras, radar, and haptic feedback to keep riders safe, alerting them to potential hazards before they even see them. Powered by Damon's Hyperdrive, the world's first monocoque-constructed, all-electric multivariant powertrain, the Hypersport Premier delivers instant torque and seamless acceleration that launches riders from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. And while it's fast, it's also incredibly stable thanks to its low center of gravity and optimized weight distribution, ensuring you get superbike performance without sacrificing control. Damon's Shift technology allows you to transform your riding posture with the push of a button. Switch from an aggressive sport position for the track to a comfortable upright stance for city commuting, giving you two bikes in one without sacrificing style or performance. The 2026 Hypersport Premier features a sleek aerodynamic design, integrated LED lighting, and a futuristic, bright digital dashboard that keeps you informed without distraction. It also comes equipped with fast charging capabilities, allowing you to charge up to 80% in under 45 minutes, making it practical for daily riding and weekend track fun. With its Copilot advanced safety system, the Hypersport Premier actively scans the environment, alerting you to vehicles in your blind spot and potential collisions with vibration warnings in the handlebars, ensuring you remain aware and confident at high speeds. As the world moves towards sustainability, the Damon Hypersport Premier offers a thrilling riding experience without compromising the environment, proving that the future of motorcycling can be both exhilarating and responsible. This isn't just a bike, it's the future of high-performance electric motorcycling, built for riders who crave speed, technology, and safety, all in a striking, futuristic package. The 2026 Damon Hypersport Premier is more than an electric superbike. It's a promise that the future of two-wheel performance will be cleaner, safer, and faster than ever before. If you're excited to see how this bike performs on the roads and track, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming ride tests and electric bike tech breakdowns. Would you ride an electric superbike like the Damon Hypersport Premier? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.